I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaron batter. Precision is key for perfect macarons, so let's start by gathering our exact ingredients. You'll need 100 grams of finely ground almond flour, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 2 large egg whites, and 100 grams of granulated sugar. Sifting your dry ingredients twice is crucial to ensure a silky smooth batter, free from any unwanted lumps. Next, we focus on the heart of the macaron, the meringue. Begin by whipping your 2 large egg whites until they reach soft peaks. Then, slowly incorporate the 100 grams of granulated sugar, adding it 1 tablespoon at a time. Continue whipping until your meringue is beautifully stiff and glossy, holding its shape firmly. This stable meringue is essential for the macaron structure. Now comes the delicate art of macaronage. Carefully fold your sifted almond flour and powdered sugar into the stiff meringue. Do this in about 3 additions, using a gentle folding and scraping motion with your spatula. The goal is to slightly deflate the meringue while thoroughly combining the ingredients. You're aiming for a flowing, lava-like consistency, often called the ribbon stage, perfect for piping. Finally, let's check for the ideal batter consistency. Lift your spatula and let the batter fall back into the bowl. It should flow in a continuous, thick ribbon. This ribbon should then slowly reincorporate into the main batter within about 20 seconds. This perfect flowing consistency is what guarantees those smooth, shiny macaron shells and the coveted ruffled feet after baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.